Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com CRM automations with Webhooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Monday.com CRM automations using Webhooks, first, log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where you want to set up the automation. Click on the Automations button located at the top right of the board. Select Custom Automations from the Automation menu. In the Custom Automation Builder, click on the Add Trigger option. Choose a trigger type that suits your needs, such as when status changes or when a new item is created. After selecting the trigger, click on From the list of actions, scroll down and select Webhooks. You will then be prompted to enter your webhook URL. Paste the webhook URL into the provided field. Make sure the URL is correctly formatted and points to the intended endpoint. Optionally, you can add any relevant data you want to send along with the webhook. After configuring the webhook, click on Add to Board to save your automation. Review the automation summary to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once confirmed, click Activate to enable your new automation. To test the webhook, trigger the selected action on your board. Monitor the target endpoint to confirm that the webhook is functioning as expected. If necessary, troubleshoot any issues or adjust your settings. Your Monday.com CRM automations are now enhanced with webhooks, allowing for more dynamic workflows. This setup enables efficient data sharing with external applications or services. By following these steps, you can streamline your processes and improve overall productivity with Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.